Did you know that a tiny change in how you write your prompts could drastically improve the answers that you get from ChatGPT? It's not just about what you ask, but how you ask it. Most people are doing it right, but not you, not after today. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 simple but powerful hacks to get better answers from AI fast. Have you heard of prompting? It's just a fancy way of saying how you ask AI questions. If you're not getting good results, it might be because you're not asking the right way. This video isn't a deep dive into prompt frameworks. For that, I've linked a free guide in the description. Here's what you will get from this video. You'll get 10 tips that are easy to use and will instantly make your AI chats better. In fact, they won't just make ChatGPT better, they'll also help you think and communicate more clearly. Cool, right? Tip number 1, iterative refinement. That sounds complicated, but it's not. Here's the deal. Your first prompt doesn't have to be perfect. Think of it as a rough draft. Start by asking ChatGPT for a simple answer, and then ask it for more details or to improve the response. Doing that in steps makes it better. Don't forget to rate the answers with a thumbs up or a thumbs down. This teaches the AI to give you better responses next time. All of that back and forth adds up, and over time, you get a ChatGPT that knows you inside and out, and is therefore better able to give you answers that fit your specific needs or preferences. Number 2, use delimiters to keep the AI focused. Ever feel like the AI's answers go off topic? Use symbols like -- or quotation marks to organize your instructions. For example, I'd put in quotes, summarize this article, -- focus only on the main points, end quotes. It keeps the AI on track and makes sure you get exactly what you asked for. Number 3, ask for multiple numbered outputs. Instead of just asking for one idea, ask for several. For example, give me 15 creative ideas for a school project. The key here is then to pick your favorites from the 15 and tell the large language model why you like them. This helps the AI learn your preferences and give you better results in the future. Number 4, the power of meta prompting. Want deeper answers? Ask the AI to break things down. For example, you'd say something like this. Let's think carefully about this problem. First, summarize it step by step, and then suggest a solution. This trick is backed by research, and it gets better answers every single time. Number 5, use specific phrasing for clarity. Be clear and direct. Start your prompt with phrases like, your task is, or you must. For example, your task is to write a fun story for kids about space. It's like giving the AI a roadmap so it knows exactly where to go. Number 6, don't just ask what, ask why. When you get an answer, follow up with, why do you recommend this? It makes the AI explain its reasoning, which gives you better and more useful answers. Number 7, use mentions for broad summaries. Here's a cool trick. Use the @ sign and mention one of the other GPT tools within ChatGPT. I like to use this for summarization. For example, summarize this webpage into 3 key points. It saves time and keeps you informed without having to read everything yourself. Number 8, the peer review method. Use one AI to check another AI's answers. For example, Claude, review this response from ChatGPT and suggest improvements. This method gets you the best of both worlds and improves your results. Check out my YouTube video on this for a more comprehensive overview for exactly how to do this. Number 9, use if-then statements. Add if-then instructions to your prompts. For this technique, I might prompt something like, if the example seems too complicated, simplify it for a 6th grader. This makes sure the AI adapts its answers to your specific needs. Finally, number 10, think before and elaborate. This is one of my favorite techniques. I use it almost every time I prompt. Let's say I'm asking the large language model to help me write a YouTube script. I'd include this statement in my prompt. Think before you write the script and elaborate on your process. This is a type of chain of thought prompting, and it works because it forces the AI to think through its reasoning, thereby improving the final output, which in this case would be the first draft of the script. Oh, and if we haven't met yet, I'm Tam. I help people like you succeed with AI. If you learned anything new today, hit the thumbs up and subscribe.